The Serene Trader, unveiling the art of Stoic trading. Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a successful trader? It's not just about making money, it's about mastering the art of Stoic trading, finding serenity in the chaos of the market. A serene trader stays focused on the bigger picture, unaffected by short-term market fluctuations. Emotions such as fear and greed have no place in their decision-making process. Instead of being swayed by the latest news headlines, a Stoic trader relies on their disciplined approach. They understand that true success comes from following a well-thought-out strategy, not chasing after quick wins. The serene trader constantly seeks knowledge and self-improvement. They are voracious readers, always learning from the wisdom of the trading masters who came before them. But what truly sets a Stoic trader apart is their ability to accept the outcomes of their trades with equanimity. They understand that losses are inevitable, and they view them as opportunities for growth and learning. In the midst of market turbulence, a serene trader finds inner stillness through meditation. They cultivate mindfulness, allowing them to make clear-headed decisions even in the face of uncertainty. Because for a Stoic trader, trading is not just a job, it's a lifestyle. They deeply appreciate the beauty of life beyond the computer screens. They find solace in nature, nurturing their own well-being. And they know that they're not alone on this journey. The serene trader seeks support from a community of like-minded individuals who share their passion for Stoic trading. Together, they empower each other to stay on the path of serenity. Find your inner peace, develop your discipline, and navigate the markets with grace. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights and guidance on becoming a serene trader.